What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. Today I got some cases from the company VRS. Let's get it. What up, y'all? So if you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, share, do what you gotta do for your boy, for the video. Got some VRS cases in for the Note 10. I'm not even gonna save, I'm not even gonna blah blah blah. We're gonna keep it going. So Note 10 Plus on the first case. What is this? Crystal Mix Black. We got the single fit black. And then we also got High Pro Shield Sandstone. Now, this is the one I've been amped for. Let's say that one for last. Let's get it. So, VRS design cases, all available on Amazon. I will throw links in the description. And let's go. So here we are. It's a clear back, see-through, show off your skin or your color, whatever you like. I opted to skin my joint up, as you can see. It is the black one, but let's go ahead and peel this plastic off. Got it on the outside and the inside. And all you need is just a little bit of a nail or something that won't scratch your screen. This plastic is kind of weird, but it does come off relatively easily. Super clear. Pop her in. Bam. There you go. Show off whatever you got rocking and protect it at the same time. I need to have, oh man, I should have had my wireless charger set up. You will have wireless connectivity, take my word for it. These cases aren't big enough to interfere with that. You only get into that issue with some of those rugged style thick cases. These are pretty thin. Buttons click very well. You got access to your S Pen relatively. There's a nice big wide open cutout down there. Might cut out all your stuffs here. Case looks good though. It's not cheap looking. It is cheap. Like I said, it's cheap in terms of price, but it's not cheap looking. I like it. This could be, I might end up using this joint for work eventually, but I like it. So that would be the Crystal Mix. They had a black version of this one, if I'm not mistaken, that I really wanted to get, so, and I will be getting that one eventually, but I should have bought it. It was only like another $10, so. All right, next case, single fit black. This is, what is this? Just a standard black case. Got your little VRS V symbol on the bottom. Guarantee that's gonna fall out eventually. VRS branding on the side. They got that nice thin cut down the side along the whole phone. It's called the Damda single fit, if you can see it on the inside. But let's pop her in. Bam. It's nice. I like it. I like it. Should have got a different color, but buttons, everything feels good. Feels good. Nice, smooth. I like the little design. It's different. Cutouts. They do a pretty good job for the S Pen cutout. They give you a nice wide joint. If you got a fat finger that some people can't fit up in there, they give you that whole corner to get out. I will say that I feel like that does put that corner at risk, so the chances of you dropping it like that, you might end up getting some damage right there, but I don't know. Just try not to drop it, but but nah, yeah. That I feel like that's that corner right there might be susceptible to damage, but it is what it is. For ease of use, I'll take it. But yeah, that's a damned single fit case. I like it. I like it. Let's go with the last but not least, the sandstone joint, man. Let's see. Okay. Sandstone. This is reminiscent of the OnePlus sandstone feel. I like this. It's nice. It reminds me a lot of the. Look at this. See, like I told you, the little sticker is already peeling up. I might. This is. Alright, I'm sorry, VRS. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do it to you like this. But I'd rather have it off than just flipped up halfway. If I can get it off. I peeled. Alright. It doesn't seem, I don't know why they put it on this case. Because it's got this textured finish that I'm assuming really not much stuff sticks to. But, you know, branding and all that stuff. Alright, so I'll wipe off the residue later on. But same thing, VRS branding on the side. You can hardly kind of see because of that texture. Semi-hard. I'm not really sure why they do this here. I don't know if this is like for like some kind of, I don't want to test it. It looks like it pops out, but I'm like confused as to why they do that, but whatever. Let me throw my phone in. Damn. Sandstone. I like this joint. I wish it was in black, but that's cool. Nice black sandstone, but it's a nice rough feel. Not as sandstony as the OnePlus sandstone, but I like it still. Buttons and everything still work good. Same wide cutout for your S Pen. Mics and everything up there at the top. They got the same little thin cut. If you can see around that whole edge. Now this case, I can tell, will probably get dirty. You know, try not to eat food with this one. You don't want to get food stuck all up in your sand. But, yeah, it's the sandstone joint, man. I might rock this to work today. I might. But, yeah, because I'm tired of, I don't want to get my other joint dirty. But, yeah, that's the sandstone from the VRS case line. That is the VRS case line. Links will be in the description below, and they have more too. So check Amazon when you get in there if you're interested. They do have a few other ones. Like I said, they have this one in black that look pretty cool. So anyway, man, it's your man Wayne Train. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these cases. Like I said, like the video, so share, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Help your boy get this thing rolling. So. It's your man. I'm out.